Let's install the SANUS Advanced Full Motion Premium TV Mount in 3 easy steps. You'll only want to do this once, right? Make sure you have everything you need and be sure to follow the manual. If you have any questions, call or chat with our US-based install experts. They're ready to help 7 days a week. Now, here's everything that comes with your Advanced Full Motion mount. Wall plate template, install manual, TV bracket, hardware packs, wall plate, and the mount arm. Let's get started with step 1. Attach the TV bracket to the TV. Select bolts that fit your TV from the hardware pack, and don't be overwhelmed. You won't use all the hardware. Next, assemble the TV bracket for height. Now loosely assemble the TV brackets to align with your TV mounting pattern. If your TV doesn't have a flat back, or you need extra space behind your TV to accommodate cables, use the included spacers before attaching the bracket to your TV. Make sure the TV bracket is centered over the mounting holes and secure the bracket to the TV, starting with the top 2 screws. Tighten the screws until they're snug, but be sure not to over-tighten, so you don't cause damage to your TV. Now that step 1 is complete, we're moving on to step 2. For an optimal view, you want the center of the TV to be at eye level when seated. Generally, this is around 42 inches from the center of the TV to the floor. For help determining where to place your TV mount, visit the SANUS Height Finder tool. Simply enter the height of where you want your TV on the wall, and Height Finder will tell you exactly where to drill your holes, helping remove any guesswork from the installation process and saving you time. Now that you know how high you want your TV, let's find your wall studs. Use a stud finder to locate your studs. Generally, most wall studs are 16 or 24 inches apart. Next, grab your wall plate template. Place the template on the wall so that the openings on the template overlap with your stud markings. Make sure your template is level. Now it's time to drill. Drill 4 pilot holes into your wall studs. Using the lag bolts from the step 2 hardware bag, attach your wall plate to the wall. Use a socket wrench or drill to tighten the lag bolts, making sure not to over-tighten the bolts. Now that the wall plate is up, we're moving on to step 3, attaching the TV to the wall. Hang the top hook of the arm assembly onto the wall plate, and then rest the arm into place, and secure with locking screws. Close the wall plate covers to conceal the wall plate, and you're ready to hang your TV. For larger TVs, you may want a friend to help. Attach the TV onto the arm by connecting the TV bracket with the mount arm. Tighten your securement screw, and that's it! Your TV is ready to enjoy. With the SANUS Advanced Full Motion Premium Mount, you can extend, tilt, and swivel your TV without tools for the best view from any seat in the room. Easily conceal your cables along the mount arm for a clean look. Need to level your TV? No problem. You can easily make adjustments to your TV after it's on the wall. You can also easily slide your TV left to right to center it on the wall. SANUS is the #1 selling TV mount brand in the US. All SANUS premium wall mounts are safety tested and UL certified and feature a 10-year warranty. And we back it up with our expert US-based customer care team, available 7 days a week. Questions? Give us a call.